Dave Cash Advance App Review 2025. Is it worth it? You won't believe how fast payday advance apps have evolved in 2025. Dave promises instant cash advances, budgeting tools, and no hidden fees, but is it really worth it? The surprising truth is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by thinking payday apps are risky traps. Dave lets users access up to in-cash advances with no credit check, making it a quick solution for short-term emergencies. You fund repayments automatically through your linked bank account, which helps avoid missed payments and potential fees. One major advantage is budgeting support. You won't believe what happens next when you see Dave tracks your spending, alerts you about low balances, and even predicts upcoming bills. The app also offers side perks like a small cashback program and optional subscription features for financial insights, giving users more control over their money. Another benefit is transparency. Unlike traditional payday loans, Dave charges a small optional tip for cash advances rather than high interest rates. This makes it a safer, more predictable alternative for short-term borrowing. However, there are cons. Advances are limited in size, and heavy reliance on the app can lead to repeated borrowing cycles. Users should still manage spending carefully, as repayment is tied to your direct deposit schedule. Optional subscription fees for premium features may also add up over time. In conclusion, the Dave Cash Advance app in 2025 is worth considering if you need occasional short-term cash or want a budgeting assistant to manage finances. While it doesn't replace traditional banking or long-term loans, its transparency, user-friendly interface, and low-risk advances make it a solid tool for responsible money management and emergency cash needs.